Marketing isn't just about selling a product. It's about telling a story, your story. It's about creating something that resonates, something that connects, something that inspires. Every click, every share, every like, it's not just a number, it's a person, a life touched by your message. But here's the truth. Marketing isn't easy. It's a battlefield of ideas, creativity, and strategy.
Stick animation videos are generating tons and tons of views across social media, from YouTube Shorts to TikTok to Instagram, and you're probably wondering how difficult it is to make such animations.
In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your own Stickman animation. Now, you can create content without having to show your face on the camera.
Oh, yes.
Are you excited already?
We are too. Let's jump right into the video. Now, we're going to break down the steps into 5 steps, right?
Yeah, 5 steps.
5 steps, okay? So we're going to go from the scripting down to the voiceover stage, right?
Yeah.
Down to creating the Stickman animation, down to, creating background. And lastly, we are going to put everything together to get you a Stickman animation. So I think we can start with the script now.
All right, so the first step is the scripting step. And we're going to be using an AI tool called DeepSeek. So we'll head straight down into DeepSeek, and after you've created your account, the next thing you're going to do is to add your prompt. So I'm going to just add
And if you don't use marketing, you can still choose whatever niche that you are. The purpose of using video DeepSeek is just to generate the script. So if you don't like DeepSeek, you can still use your ChatGPT, you can still use your Gwen, you can still use your Gemini or any other AI chatbot technologies that you want to use. All right, so we have a script from DeepSeek right now. So we have marketing isn't just good. Now the next step we're going to go into is now the voiceover. Now we're going to be using another AI tool. Remember, we have 5 steps, and each step has a particular AI tool that is going to help you accomplish whatever process that is. All right. In step number 2 is now the what?
the voiceover.
Now in the voiceover, we're going to be converting the whole narration. Now if you look at what DeepSeek gave us, you see narrator, that's the voiceover. Marketing isn't just about this, it's about creating this. So we're going to copy all of the part that has the narrator, because the part that is in parentheses is just about the action that should be in the video. Remember, it's a script, right? So we're going to copy all of that, and we're going to be using 11 Labs. That's very popular. You can see use whichever voice voice generator AI that you want to use. All right, so we are on 11 Labs right now. So I'm just going to tap on the instant speech, and I'm going to copy it all in here now. And in the voice, I'm going to select whichever voice option that I want. Just make sure it's free. All right, and I think I can select Brian. All right, and we're going to go all the way, and then we're going to tap on generate speech, and we're going to wait for 11 Lab to do its thing.
Marketing isn't just about selling a product. It's about telling a story, your story. It's about creating something that resonates, something that connects, something that inspires. Every click, every share, every like, it's not just a number.
All right, so that's amazing, right? So let's stop. We're just going to tap and download. All right, now on to the next step.
All right, so the third step is where we are going to be creating the character. We are going to be using an AI tool called Adobe Express. So on your browser, you just need to write Adobe Animate from audio. So tap on it and select the first option that you have here. You need to also create your account and all of those processes. Once you're done, you then need to tap on Start Now.
Second option to accessing Adobe Express is to download the application. So whether you're on an Android or an iPhone, you can just search up Adobe Express and download it on your device.
So we're going to select the Stickman character. So what you're going to find on Adobe Express, you're going to find so many characters, but you just need to search for the sticky character.
Yeah.
And once you find the sticky character, just like we have it here, you then need to tap on background.
I think you first need to make sure that the whole length is showing.
Awesome. So you can get to see the whole body. So once you're done with that background, tap on custom color, and we want to change this color to green.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to just scroll and then select green. All right. And then this tick sign, we're going to use the landscape size. All right. So once you selected the size, you will then need to tap on. Now we want to import the audio that we generated from 11 Labs. Okay. So to do that, you will need to tap on the browse. You should have downloaded the audio into your downloads files. So once you tap on browse, you will then need to select the audio wherever it is on your device. You just need to wait for some seconds for that recording to upload, and once it's done, you can then download. You can just preview it to see what it looks like, and you download your Stickman animation.
Now we're going to work on the background. So what do I mean by working on the background? We're going to now try to put some actions to your Stickman animation, all right? Because you don't want to just have the character just talking and nothing, right? You remember it's social media and algorithm, so the audience retention thingy there need to be added. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using Canva for this purpose. Now we're going to be working hand in hand with the actions that we got from DeepSeek. All right, so DeepSeek says upbeat music plays a montage of diverse people brainstorming, designing, presenting, and celebrating. All right, so we're going to move over to Canva. Now we're going to tap on video because we want to make a video. So let's also assume that we actually want to make a landscape video. Okay, so let's tap on the YouTube video. Remember, this is a Stickman animation, and Stickman animation definitely need to have a white background. Okay, yeah. Now the first thing, we're going to go to elements, and then we're going to type people celebrating, and then we're going to type Stickman animation people celebrating. All right, great. So we're going to go to the graphics. Let's just use this particular one. All right, so this is what people celebrating. Okay, and they are Stickman, so we're going to place it here for a good purpose. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to try to animate them. All right, so for each of them we are going to tap on the I guess this. Okay, yeah, so we're going to see the animate, and we are going to look for pop. So I think now we can look at what we have to the beginning. All right. All right. So next up, we are going to save this. All right, and then take it to the last phase. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to save it as MP4 definitely, and you want to make sure that it's selected everything. All right, and save. We are the last stage of the whole process, and we are now going to be bringing together everything that we have done, and we're going to be using a video editor that is popular, and that is CapCut, or whichever video editor that you actually want to use. You can as well use it. Okay, so we're currently on CapCut. I'm going to tap on my new project, and I'm going to select both animations that we have and add it to our workspace. Now we're going to select this particular one. All right, that's the character animation, and simply search and overlay. All right, now next up we are going to tap on remove BG, tap on chroma key, and then just select that part. You can see it automatically removes it. All right, so let's also make sure that no trace of the green. Okay, so let's increase this. All right, now the next thing we want to do is we want to actually make sure that the character, that's this one, it can just be placed somewhere here. All right, and let's see what we have.
Marketing isn't just about selling a product. It's about telling a story, your story. It's about creating something that resonates.
Okay, so because of what just happened here, I'm going to try to be, swapping the character from one space to another. So I can decide to do this with keyframe. That is by tapping on this keyframe. All right, and then you move it and probably place it here. Or alternatively, if this is too difficult, you can simply always split. All right, and then when the next one is about to come in, just make it to start somewhere here. So now it will be moving from this point and then down to this point. Okay,
Something that connects.
so we're about to switch again. So let's see where we can place him this time. So we can place him probably here. Oh yeah, we can even place him here.
Middle.
All right, in the middle. All right, you can decide to do your captions. That's very easy already. We already know how to do that. Just tap on your text, tap on auto captions, and then well, it's not free. All right, but you can still decide to do your captions through whichever way that you want to do your captions. So you can also give, add some light and some energy to it.
Or just get CapCut Premium.
Or you can just get CapCut Premium, not promoting CapCut. Okay, that's it on how you can create your Stickman animation. Betty, what do you have to say?
We hope this was very easy and you were able to follow through the process. Thank you for watching this video to this very end.
Yep.
Ensure that you subscribe to this channel, like and share our video as well with your family and friends.
And if there's any question that you have about the video, do make sure to drop a comment. We're always on our comment reading and answering as much as we can. And with this,
thank you for watching and
we'll catch you on the next one.